Okay, quick swap of gloves. Always remember to take spare gloves because my last ones were absolutely soaking. And now, nice dry gloves, which, I should have bought the new pair. Damn it. Oh well, these will last for today. Hopefully. We're going to follow Gaz now into the unknown, which is a massive downhill with fallen trees down everywhere. And he's going first, so he can pick a line. Oh my god. Oh, that is steep. That looks steep, doesn't it? Wow. Is that a river I hear down there? Do we go around that fence and hover, or do we go in from the top?
Try and go to the fence and try and go round to the right.
That's what I'm thinking.
We don't want to go left, do we, really?
So I can cut down here to the fence. Yeah. Alrighty. Wow, okay. This might be bad to get back up, I think. It only goes steep to there. Okay. Oh, GoPro, I hate you. You do not understand how steep this is. Hope many of you who film on your GoPros understand this problem. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn in. There's a lot of leaning going on there. Yeah, that's steep. It looks like a drop at the end as well. Should we get to that where we can see light? Yeah, make a life-changing decision. Oh, that's slippery. Where is that? So we've turned around and decided the best option would be to go down this diagonal hill. Gaz will just fly down it because he's a professional mountain biker while I get stuck on logs. Ooh. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Oh. Whew. Do not want to lean. Oh, we're definitely committing, are we? That's what I'm thinking. I was just making sure I wasn't going down by myself. Oh my god. Left or right? It's quite dense down there. Let's return into that. This is not what I had in mind, but then again, when you just turn into woodland, you have no idea what to expect, and when it's a vertical hillside, you're kind of more screwed because you really don't know. I really don't know which way to go. So you have to wing it, haven't we? Yeah, it's just, there's no right or wrong way, is there? Just hope I don't fall into a mine. Ooh. We have a bit of an opening. Only a little bit. Following some animal trails. Whoa. This is so steep. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! That back end flew around. I'm on the wrong side. That tree saved my life. Whoa! I'm vertically upside down. Can you see my legs? No, it's just, it's hard to roll in this position. I need a tree. Oh my god, this is so steep. Wow. Wow. I was so close to breaking another headlight. It's fine though, I think. Whoa. I was trying to stand up and ride that. Didn't work out too well. So much. It's a bit stuck on my hand, if poss. That went, that did. Wow. It's like wedged against a tree a bit.
We're going to go back this way, aren't we?
No, but I can see the opening. I don't know what.
Like good opening.
We got no. My hand gets stuck here. If you can grab. Ooh. I can't. There we go. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was the bomb, but it looks like windfall. Well, these have got sore. We'll have to get out. Yeah, you can always walk out. Come get the bikes tomorrow. Right. I don't know how I got roped into going first, but
That was really surprising.
yeah. Oh well. Okay. Let's keep it moving. There's so much under the ground. Oh, what are we doing? I see a road. Looks steep. What's in there? Well, I guess we're going to find out. It looks dark and deep down there. I'm going to walk it, I think. I don't want to go in there. That's a huge hole there. You going for it? Be careful. You really annoy me. I can't believe you entertained that. We just came up there. That was so dense and overgrown, it's unreal. Mate, that's fucking... I was a little bit worried that we weren't going to get through, because you know when you see the windfall, you're like, oh god, we might have to be hours cutting ourselves out of here.
Amazing the turn you can get by doing it.
You'll never get up there though, will you? If you cut it,
You cleared it and it was dry.
if you could do a zigzag track up there, it's perfect, isn't it?